I'm going to tell you about a credit union you probably haven't heard of. It's going to be able to help you build up your credit profile or just to get access to extra business funding if you need that. So watch the entire video for the credit union. This is a slept on credit union. You probably haven't heard of it. So yeah, let's get straight to it. So one thing about it, it's going to be good for personal funding and a pool experience. So that's something that's good to note, whether you building your personal profile or if you're going to just leverage to go on the business side. So this credit union is United States Senate Federal Credit Union. So I got it pulled up over here. So you'll go to the homepage as soon as you get to the website. You see on the bottom right here, not a member, start your lifelong membership journey now. So you just click on learn more, right? Because you're going to become a member. And let's get straight to the document. So pretty much you just got to be a US citizen and you can join from any state. So that's like the requirement. As far as what you're going to need is your ID. You're going to need the mailing addresses, physical mailing address, social security number, of course, and then your date of birth. So I'm going to tell you what you want to do in order to get towards the business funding. So number one, you got to open a personal account, and a personal account is going to be a savings account. And the minimum deposit is going to be $6 because what's going to happen is there's a $5 fee and then there's a $1 fee as well. So like I said, when you go over here and you join, you can click on apply now. It says right there, how do I join? They give you information right there. So like I was saying here, minimum of $5 and you have to pay a one-time fee of $1, right? And then what we're opening, like I said, is it's a savings account. So keep that in mind. That's like a required thing. Once you click on apply and you go over there, it'll show you the products. So you can have optional products, but once you open that, the next thing that I want you to open is literally a business savings account. So $6 deposit. The third thing you're going to open is going to be a business checking account. It's going to be a $500 deposit minimum, right? So keep in mind as you're going through this video and you're watching all my videos, I give y'all a lot of information because I want you to pick and choose what you're going to do, right? Your credit can only continue to get beefed up, right? So if you got 9 accounts, make United States Senate Federal your 10th account on your personal side, right? If your personal is already built up, okay, go get you some business funding through United States Senate Federal Credit Union. Remember, credit unions be giving out the bag, and I'm going to go over numbers that you can expect to see when you're going through the United States Senate Federal Credit Union. So watch my entire playlist on my channel, the funding playlist. I'm going to put this in the funding playlist. So go through the entire playlist and just literally do what you need to do to build up your credit profile. There's no reason why y'all shouldn't know where to go build your credit if you're watching my channel. So, I love it when y'all take action. So let me know what you did and the type of approvals you're getting. After this video, you can literally like pause the video and apply right now because you're applying online, right? So if it's 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 2 p.m., it don't matter. Just go and apply. And then one thing that's important, you're going to need all 3 to open to apply for business funding if that's your goal. If you're just focused on the personal side for building your profile, don't worry about that immediately. But that Experian pool that's going to happen is going to be good for 60 days. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So go ahead and get the products that you need within the 2-month period. So personal credit cards, you can expect to go up to about 50,000. So high limit, of course. Personal line of credit can go up to 25,000. Business credit cards, they can go up to 50,000 as well. And then the business line of credit, you can expect it to go up to 250,000. So, $250,000 basically. So keep that in mind. So just as far as what you want to have in general, this is just typical stuff. I don't create the algorithm, call these people if you want to ask them a million questions, but this is just what I recommend to people as far as my experience getting people funding. So you want to obviously have 100% payment history. We already know that, right? You want to have at least 10 positive reporting accounts. It's not necessary, if you're using it to build, but just rule of thumb. Installment accounts can be included, student loans, personal loans, auto loans, etc. Revolving, credit cards. If you already have credit cards before you come here, dope. Right? If you don't, it doesn't mean that you're guaranteed the denial, but you want to build out your profile. Don't be a slave to the credit score. It's not always about your score. So keep that in mind, right? And with the revolving credit cards, you want them to have at least $2,500 limits. Hopefully, they're open for at least 6 months. Hard inquiries, I wouldn't have more than 3 or 4 on each. But just understand they become less impactful as time goes on. So this is the U.S. Senate Federal Credit Union that I want y'all to tap into, or go ahead and check it out, and see how it treats you. Your action, just keep watching my videos in the funding playlist and take action. Let me know what kind of approvals you're getting. And just remember that all of the information that I'm giving y'all, it's only as powerful as far as how y'all take it. Because you can watch my videos for entertainment if you want, right? But I'm here to help you change your situation. So you have to take action with the information. I can't force you to take action. So as you take action, that's when it's more powerful. So technically, my information is potential power, because if you don't do nothing with the information, you're just going to inherit piss, poverty, poor, and all that, right? So keep that in mind. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.